Hello friends, welcome back to Venkat AI EduHacks. Today, this video is all about how to improve pronunciation of our children using AI tools. Teachers will be teaching a lesson to student and we'll give the important words of that lesson. So we'll pick some words from the textbook and we'll give the list of important words to the students to read their spelling. Sometimes we also give the meaning of the word, meaning of the term. So if it is social studies, the social vocabulary, terminology, and science, if it is science, we give that science terminology. So all these words are very important for a child to learn. But at the same time, if we give the pronunciation key for each word, the child also gets proper pronunciation of those words. Not only that, the whole class follows the same pronunciation. So there will be a uniform pronunciation for that word if we can give the pronunciation key along with that word. So how to do that using an AI tool? By using AI tool, we can just sort out the important terms. We can easily pick the important terms from the lesson and we can also get their meanings along with the pronunciation key. So it's very easy to do in AI tools. If we do that manually, if we go to Google and search for the pronunciation key of each word, and if we compile it manually, it takes a lot of time. But by using your AI tools, we can save a lot of time and we can make it more effectively and easily. Now, let us see how to make a list of important words or terms from particular lesson and how to get their meanings along with the pronunciation of that particular word. Now let us see how to create a list of important terms and their meanings along with the pronunciation key of the given lesson. So to do this, we need to have an AI tool. Let us open ChatGPT. So let us go to ChatGPT. Now, let us write the prompt. Make a list of all important terms. Give their meaning and pronunciation key to of the given lesson. So make a list of all the important terms, give their meaning and pronunciation key to of the given lesson. So we have to give the lesson. So to do so, let us go to library. Let us go to D drive. Let us go to library. Here we have some lessons, PDF. So let us select class 7 geography inside our year. So I'm going to select this lesson. Click on open. Let it get uploaded. So now the PDF is uploaded. We have given the prompt and we have given the PDF. Let us generate by clicking this button. Now here is a complete list of important terms for the lesson inside our year, class 7 geography. So here we got the terms crust, the outermost solid layer of the earth, and this is the pronunciation, crust. So we got it for each subtopic: earth layers, rocks and minerals, and other important terms. So now we can copy this list to Microsoft Word and we can save it or we can print it. So this is the easiest way to get meanings of the important terms or words from a lesson along with the pronunciation key. So if the words are given along with their correct pronunciation, so all the students in the class, they maintain a similar pronunciation, that is the correct pronunciation. So it is helpful for the children while referring the notes or the material, they get the pronunciation too along with the meaning of a particular term. So teachers, how was the AI EduHack? I hope you all liked it. You please give a like to this video and please share this video with your fellow teachers and please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So we'll be meeting in the next video with one more exciting AI EduHack. Until then, take care. Bye bye.